to this episode of I'm a Dairy-Free Girl. Today we are making Lassie buns, which that's how you say it in Newfoundland. This is my great-grandfather's recipe, so I'm going to try it today. First step is mix baking soda with 1 cup of coffee. So you're going to put your coffee, make sure it's 1 cup, into your bowl. You use 1 teaspoon of baking soda and you put it in there. If it starts foaming, it's okay. But if it doesn't foam, it's still okay. Then you put your coffee aside. Melt butter to a low heat, which I used Earth Balance because I'm dairy-free. Next, put 1 cup of molasses into the bowl. Molasses is a bit drippy, so it's going to get out there. Next, put spices in. You put 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of allspice. Here's my spices. Put them in. And put butter in with all that. One cup of butter. Stir all together. Okay, add in flour. And mix. And the coffee mix. Add raisins. And mix. Stirring gets a little bit messy sometimes. Grease a muffin pan and use a spoon and put it in the pan. Bake at 300 degrees for 15 minutes. And then let it cool and then enjoy. Back and the molasses buns are ready. Sometimes it took longer to cook. Make sure to check them after 15 minutes. And here we are with some of the molasses buns. And make sure to check them. That doesn't mean, this means that it isn't cooked yet. So, we're going to put them back in the oven for at least 2 more minutes. 2 minutes is up and we're going to check them again. They're perfect. Let's take them out of the oven and sit to cool. Here are the finished results. Those ones are still in the pan because we made 18 and my muffin tray only makes 12. So I hope you like this recipe and make sure you try it at home.